Number 2 is the original Prusa i3 3D printer. Are you a drone enthusiast looking for the ultimate 3D printer to create parts for your high-flying machines? This top-of-the-line 3D printer is a DIY kit that guarantees an exhilarating self-assembly experience. If tinkering isn't your thing, worry not. You can also get a fully built and tested version for seamless printing right out of the box. The MK3S Plus boasts cutting-edge features that will leave you in awe. Its fully automatic mesh bed leveling process ensures hassle-free calibration. At the same time, the built-in IR filament sensor detects when your filament is running low, pausing the print until it's reloaded. No more wasted time and materials. This printer is a true workhorse with genuine Gates belts, Bondtech drive gears, and an EINSY Rambo motherboard. It's built to withstand the demands of drone part production, delivering precise and reliable prints every time. The 8GB SD card provides plenty of storage space for your designs. To sweeten the deal, Prusa Research throws in a free sample of Prusa PLA so you can start printing immediately. With Prusa's direct sales, you can trust that you're getting a top-quality product directly from the source. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out